Hello, this is Jonathan Ober with a screencast for WBYN. Today we're going to be going over how to edit content here in this area for the slider using the new SlideDeck 2. So I've already signed in, and we'll notice this new area here called SlideDeck 2. If I click on that, that will allow me to go over to the SlideDeck editor, and we're only really using one slide deck, so we've got the slide deck here that you can click on. And that will take us to this area. Obviously it's changed a lot since the last version of SlideDeck, but there's a lot more controls and things that we can do, but for you guys it'll be pretty basic as far as adding slides and putting new things in there. So what I'm going to do real quick is I'm just going to swing over to my one folder, and actually, you know what, we're just going to use an image I have on my desktop. So let's say we want to add a new image slide after this one. What we're going to do here is we're just going to click Add Slide, and we have a couple different options. We can do image slides, which is what we have been doing, text slides, which basically just have text content over top, video slides using video, and HTML slides, which can be a combination of stuff using HTML. But for you guys, you're mostly just going to be doing image slides. We're going to go ahead and click Image, and you'll see that that builds that little image slide. Then we get this little editor here. I'll scroll down where we can update, upload an image. We can get an image from a specific URL, like if you found it out on Google Images or something like that. Or if we already have the image uploaded, we can do from our media library. We also have some options here where we can choose to put a caption with the picture. We can choose some text that goes to the right or left. We have some controls there, and then we can also choose no caption. So for this example, I'm just going to do the none, and we're going to upload and browse for an image. And I'm just going to go ahead and go to my desktop. Disregard these pictures of cupcakes. That's a client of mine. So we're just going to come on, go to my desktop, and I have this image here from a mission trip this past summer. And we're going to, once we see that that image is there, we're just going to hit upload, and it's going to go through the process of uploading. And the other thing that we can do here is we can give a link. So if I come out to the website, and let's just say, oh, I gotta fix that. It looks like the menu goes behind everything. Hey, look at that, found an error. So let's just say, for this instance, we're gonna have this picture link out to the contact. So we can put that link there. And you have a couple options here. We have it to not scale the image, scale it proportionally and crop, or scale proportionally and do not crop. So we're going to do scale proportionally and crop because I know that this picture is not the right dimensions. But we should be making the pictures the right dimensions, which is 728 by I think 280. I'll have to get that for you exactly. But so we can hit apply. And the cool thing is that this will actually show you what your slide will look like. So if I scroll, you see a nice little crop there. 726 by 308 is the size. So we have our first image there, second image there. This one here we actually put a caption on, which we don't need. So we can actually click on that and do that and apply. Now we've taken that out of there. Now we haven't saved anything yet, but that's pretty basic as far as just going in, uploading that image, choosing none if you don't want a caption. We can see what this will look like. Let's this is just text on image. You can apply that. I'll just show you what that looks like. Scroll over to the new one. You can do something like that where there's a little bit of stuff there. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Obviously you can change that title. That'll change the title in there, but we're not gonna do any of those. And then once you save, and we won't do this because then that'll be live, that'll be up on the site right away once you make any changes. Now let's just delete that image. Hit the little X. You sure you want to delete that slide? Yep, we do. So that slide's gone. I'll drop down here and show you some of the other options. We're not playing with any of these. These are just themes. We've already used this theme that does like the little dot and everything. So we're not going to play with that. Setup, I've already programmed in the sizes. And actually, I think this should be 280 if I remember correctly. Yeah, there we go. Now we don't get that weird line because of the crop. So 728 by 280 is your final size. And I pretty much have everything else set up, so we won't be playing with any of these, but there's just a bunch of little things here. So really the biggest thing you're doing is just adding a slide, putting in the picture, and if it has a link you can do that, and that's pretty much it. So this is again the slide deck tutorial. If you have any questions, you can hit save there at the end. And we'll just pop back over to the home page. And there we go. Tim's in there. But I will work on fixing this issue with the overlapping. Okay? I'll talk to you later. Bye.